Hi, this is Doug Schulte with Select Machining Technologies here at IMTS 2024 with the brand new SORALUCE SAD40. One of the demos we're running at IMTS is the DWS system, our dynamic workpiece stabilizer. This is unique technology from SORALUCE and we're excited to be showing it for the first time in the United States. The DWS technology uses these modules to attach to a workpiece where a workpiece might not have the best stability. And as you start machining, you hear vibration from the workpiece that's creating chatter in the cutting process. With the DWS system, you have a magnetic module that connects the part. Then you have an accelerometer that's measuring the frequency, amplitude, and direction of the harmonic being developed in the cutting process. And that harmonic is the chatter that you hear. And then you have a linear actuator in the back of the module that will start to move at the opposite frequency, amplitude, and direction of the harmonic being developed during the cutting process. The standard controller for the DWS system can manage up to 4 of these modules. So if it's a much larger part, we can have 4 modules at different locations around the part to manage all the vibration that is being developed in the cutting process. So the operator doesn't have to do anything to this other than attach the module to the part. And the DWS system manages and eliminates all the vibration in the cutting process during machining. If you're interested in learning more about this machine, please feel free to reach out to your local Select distributor, whether it's Morris, GOSIGER, or HARTWIG, or Arizona CNC, or feel free to contact us here at Select Machining Technologies.